Imagine being able to travel anywhere you want in the world without spending a single dime on flights, accommodation, and activities. Believe it or not, that's exactly what I've been able to do for the past 4 years. I've traveled to over 40 countries while simultaneously working from my laptop. And the best part about this strategy is that it doesn't require any additional effort beyond what I do to simply run my business. It's actually almost too good to be true, which is probably why I don't hear many people talking about it in the e-commerce space. But let me just clarify that there are many ways to travel for free. Dropshipping or e-commerce is just one way to leverage credit to do so. But hey, since you clicked on the video, you're here to learn how to do it with e-commerce. So let's hop right into the video and help you understand exactly what I'm doing. But before anything, why don't we start first off with understanding what dropshipping is. So dropshipping is just a business model where you sell products online, but don't actually keep any inventory. You're essentially the middleman here. You work with a supplier who then ships the products directly to your customers, meaning you don't have to worry about storing and managing inventory, which makes this model so appealing. The initial investment and barrier to entry are very low. And I'm sure you've heard about the negative stigma surrounding the dropshipping model. This often happens to people who stick with dropshipping as their primary strategy and fail to innovate or provide any added value to their customers. However, by continually expanding your business, offering exceptional customer service, and delivering unique and high quality products, you can break free from that negative stereotype and create a thriving, value-driven e-commerce brand. And that's precisely what I've accomplished, transforming my dropshipping businesses into established brands. This evolution has enabled me to experience consistent growth and success while distancing myself from the common misconceptions associated with dropshipping. All right, so now that you have a better idea of what dropshipping is, let's move on to the reason you guys are watching this video in the first place. Credit card companies cleverly entice their customers to spend more money by offering attractive rewards, such as travel perks or cashback. This often results in the average American spending more and accumulating an impressive array of rewards. But with that being said, the real profit for these institutions lies in the interest they charge on outstanding balances. So when someone makes a purchase they can't afford and carries an outstanding balance, they end up paying interest on that amount. This is where credit card companies generate their revenue. But the key to maximizing benefits of credit cards is to use them simply as you would a debit card, only spending what you can afford and reaping the rewards points without incurring any interest. Now, in my particular situation, I run an online business, as you guys know, which naturally incurs various expenses. And by strategically allocating these expenses to a rewards credit card, like the many that I have, I can effortlessly earn rewards points just by operating my business. This way, I can take advantage of the reward system without incurring any additional costs or going into debt. The fun part of this rewards game starts when you find out that you can earn higher multipliers depending on the card you choose and the categories you spend in. And certain credit cards are specifically designed to offer bonus points when you spend on particular business or personal categories. For instance, one of my favorite credit cards is the American Express Business Gold Card, which is here. I have quite a few of them actually. And this card allows me to earn 4 times the rewards points when I spend in any of the following 2 categories, which are advertising, shipping, restaurants, gas station, airfare, and tech supplies. And as you might expect with an e-commerce business, the majority of our expenses are in advertising and shipping. This means that I can accumulate 4 times the points per dollar I spend. And that's up to, I believe, $150,000 each calendar year, just by covering the necessary cost of running my business. And it is $150,000 per year, so that's why I have multiple, just in case I cap that limit. I'll be sure to leave links below consisting of the top credit cards that offer the highest multipliers in rewards points specifically tailored for e-commerce businesses. Once you have accumulated enough points, there are several ways you can redeem them, such as cash back, covering credit card charges, or using them towards travel expenses. And many people like myself prefer to just use the points for travel. You can book directly through credit card companies like American Express Travel or Chase Ultimate Rewards, but a great way to maximize the value of your points is by transferring them to airline loyalty programs. That same flight offered by a credit card company may only cost half or even a quarter of the price if you purchase using miles. And the same thing, hotel partner programs also give you a great value when redeeming points. By transferring your points to these hotel loyalty programs, you can often secure better rates on hotel stays than if you were to just go ahead and book directly with a credit card company or even paying cash. So for the past 4 years or so, I've been able to travel to pretty much anywhere and everywhere I've wanted for simply understanding how to leverage my business and credit. I'm actually in LA now because I bought a house, so I had to occupy it, I had to furnish it. But in a month, I will head to Mexico, and then I will go to Europe, do a little bit of a Europe tour again. You know, actually, I go to Hawaii in 2 days. I completely forgot about that. Hawaii in 2 days, and then Mexico, and then Europe. If you're considering starting a dropshipping business to fuel your passion for travel, there are a few essential factors to keep in mind. And if any of this does in fact sound enticing to you and you're considering starting a dropshipping business to fuel your passion for travel, there are a few essential factors to keep in mind. 1, develop a robust business plan. To build a successful dropshipping store, it's crucial to research and select the right products to sell, so focus on a strict criteria to make sure you're not wasting your time during the testing process. A well-optimized website is also key, as well as understanding effective strategies to drive traffic to your online store. 2, practice responsible financial management. Ensuring the financial health of your business is vital. I shouldn't have to say this, but make sure to stay on top of your expenses, pay your bills on time, and avoid unnecessary spending. By managing your finances wisely, you'll be able to earn valuable rewards points without falling into the traps of credit card debt. And if you're completely new to e-commerce, I dedicate my entire channel to helping you guys out with that. So you can go ahead and browse my channel, see if you like it. If you do, please do hit that subscribe button and support. I've shared with you guys the exact strategy I've used to leverage e-commerce and credit to travel the world for free, and now it's your turn to get started with this journey. There's plenty of room for everyone. Keep in mind that this approach can be applied to various business models as long as there is consistent inflow of money. It's essential to remember that building a successful dropshipping business requires hard work, dedication, and patience. It's not as easy as all those people on the internet say it is, but if you do it right, it can definitely be rewarding. And I hope you guys got some value from this video. Make sure to give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.